How to add salutation in Outlook. So I'm going to show you how you can set the signature or salutation in your Outlook app. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here I'm on my Outlook, guys. So we can make the signature or insert the signature in Outlook. So for that, just go to the file option and go to the option here. Under the option, you have to choose the mail option here on your left side. Under the mail, you have to find the signature. So here you can see the create and modify the signature for the message. Click on it. You can see I have 3 signature here. I can use anything, any out of these from my email. So when I create new mail, I can choose from out of these 3. I will show you. So you can see in first signature I have this contain, in second signature I have this contain, and third signature I have this contain. So I can edit anything. Just click on, I need to click on it, and I can edit from here like this. Okay, so under edit signature section you will see the options, like you can change the font. Just select the contain and you can change the font from here. You can also change the size. You can bold it, anything, and here you can change the color also. You can make it in middle, side, whatever you want. Okay, so now this is a business card. You can attach if you want. 1 second. Okay, so here you can also insert your logo, company logo. Just select the any pictures from your device and you can insert it. Okay, so here I got the one logo here. Just select and just insert, then this logo will be inserted here. And now you can resize it as per your requirement. So I just show you how you can do this. Just come down and you have to just hold this corner and just resize. Okay, it is resized now. My internet is slow. Okay, it will be resized, or yeah, you can resize like this as I show you, or just right click on it, go to the picture, go to the size, and here you can change the, I just change the 2 centimeter. You can change, it will be changed by default here. So I just take it 2 centimeter only. Just click on OK, it will be show like this. Okay, so now I have to click on OK. Okay, so now this is my 3 signature I have just created. Okay, so now I'll show you how you can create the new signature. Now just click on new and give your signature name. Okay, this is for only you, it will not show on your mail. So I just create 4 signature, and now you can write whatever you want, and now just save it. Okay, so there is another setting. Okay, so I just create this signature. Now there is choose a default signature. You can select your default signature, email account. You can new signature for new, you can change, you can select the signature for the new message by default signature, and you can also change the signature for replace and forward. Okay, you can set the by default signature. So I make for 4 for forwarding replies, and for new message I take the third one. Okay, now just click on OK. Just click on OK. When I click on new email, so here this is my by default signature, but I can change from here. Okay, you can see there is a signature option. I can take any signature from here also by manually. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.